Hi guys, what is up? My name is Joseph Klenk. I am a broke college student and I am just trying to achieve financial freedom. I wasn't given everything in life. I don't have a 100K portfolio like all the top financial channels on this platform, but I'm slowly going to try to get there. I want to build financial freedom and build that along with you guys. Currently, I am an ex-finance major, currently a computer science major because, trying to be financially free in life. Finance is not the way. Don't do it. But anyways, I'm going to be passing on the knowledge that I've learned from YouTube, books, podcast, everything, just onto you guys and showing you guys my perspective on things. So we're going to be talking about broad market news, individual stocks. We're going to be doing live streams on those too. Cryptocurrencies, NFTs, blockchain gaming, blockchain in general, blockchain technology, whatever. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys stuff about side hustles, entrepreneurship, and overall maybe even testing some of those things myself and showing that onto you guys on how you guys can do it, how you guys can build your portfolio and grow and be potentially financially free with me. Who knows? Obviously, I'm not there yet, but I'm filming the journey to get there. So it's a little bit, there's going to be some trial and error on this channel. And I think that's going to be the beauty of it, is filming the journey to get there instead of just having that channel or having videos made when I'm already at that time. Because I know a lot of these top financial channels, they already have $1 million portfolios, $100,000 portfolios. That's not really fair to say. How do you get there? That's kind of my question. That's kind of what I'm going to be filming and documenting. And yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be the actual start to this channel. This is just a nice intro video, and peace. I'll see you all then.